Hey guys, this is for my 5th graders. This is another help video for one of your math worksheets. I had some of my students reach out to me saying they wanted some help to show how to do this again. So we're going to do the option 2. I'm going to flip this around here. We're going to do option 2. This is the Beehive dilemma, and this is finding area using fractions, okay? So basically what we're doing is we're just multiplying length times width to find the area. So we're going to use our fractions here, this being the length, 4 1/3, times the width, 2 5/6, okay? So let's get our papers out and get ready to do that. So length area equals length times width. So we are going to do, the length of this is 4 1/3 times 2 5/6. Okay, so first thing you guys want to do, move this out of the way. First thing you guys want to do is we want to make these mixed numbers improper fractions. So remember, in order to do that, we multiply, then add. So we're going to multiply first, and then we're going to add. So 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So this becomes 13 over 3 times, we're going to do 6 times 2, and then add the 5. So we're going to multiply. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 5, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, okay? So that's going to be 17 over 6. Now, remind you, this is the fun part about multiplying fractions. When you get to this step, it's not like adding and subtracting fractions where you have to have the same denominator. You just multiply straight across. So we're going to multiply 13 times 7 to get our new numerator, and then 3 times 6 to get our new denominator. Now, I know 3 times 6 off the top of my head. That would be 18. Not sure 13 times 7, okay? So in order to do that, if you do not have a multiplication chart in front of you, here is one. So we're going to do 13 times 17. 17's here. Times 13, that's going to be 221. I'm doing that the cheating way. Okay. If you want to do it the long way, 13 times 17, remember that you got to do 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9. Placeholder, 1 times 3, 1 times 1. Add those up, 9, 10, 11, 12. You still get 221. So 221 over 18, that is an improper fraction. We want to divide, because that bar also means to divide, in order to figure out what our mixed number is going to be. So how many times can 18 go into 221? We are going to use our handy dandy multiplication chart again. Let's look at our 18s going all the way down. All right, we got a 216. We've got a 234, so we want to get as close as we can to 221. So it'd be here, which is 12. So first, oh, my bad. Let's do this first. 18 can go into 20, cannot go into 2. 18 can go into 22. How many times? Once. 18 times 1 is 18. Subtract. I'm going to borrow, making that 12, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 3. Oh, sorry, 4. I'm losing my head. 1 times 0, 1 is 0. Bring down the other 1. 18 can go into 41. 18 can go into 41 2 times. 18 times 2 is 36. Okay. Gonna have to borrow, making that 3, making this 11. 11 minus 6 is 4, 5. So we're going to use these 3 numbers to make our mixed number. Let me erase this side over here. Okay, so that is our first number. That's our whole number is 12 and 5/18. Okay, all that good work will be yours. So that 12 and 5/18 is the area for option 2. So now you use these steps in order to figure out option 3. Let me know if you need more help.